it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And to keep with our theme for Black History Month, we're going to be opening up with a quote from Alice Coachman. Alice Coachman is a former Olympian and actually the first Black woman to win an Olympic gold medal. Her quote says, "I've always believed that I could do whatever I set my mind to do." So for our Valentine's themed recipe, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sandwich. And I know you're like, how is that Valentine's themed? Well, we're making it special by using some fun cookie cutters to make some heart-shaped sandwiches. This one is really good, and for all of my the folks out there who are transitioning into more plant-based eating, but sometimes you just miss an egg salad sandwich, I have got a recipe for you. I always have to give shout out to my mom who helps me from time to time because she actually gave me this recipe. So if you want to see how our sandwich turns out, just keep watching. But you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're going to do is take your chickpeas, garbanzo beans, and go ahead and empty off the brine and then add them to your food processor. Y'all, this right here is the major key. This tahini is going to enhance the smoothness and richness of your vegan egg salad. Just going to go in with a little Himalayan pink salt before I pop the lid on my food processor and let it blend. So as I was blending, I realized we needed a little bit more liquid, so I'm going in with some pickle juice. I took the lid off of the food processor and decided that it needed a little bit more blending because I want it to be really smooth. Alright, I'm transferring everything into a bowl now so we can start to season. Going in with some vegan mayo. This is about 2 dollops. And then we gotta have our mustard. And y'all, I almost forgot to shake the mustard and I would have had mustard water. Ugh. Then I'm going in with some pickle relish, and I'm using about this much, but you can use as little or as much as you like. Then I've got to have some black salt. This is what's going to give us that egg flavor. You don't need too much. Finally, we're going to add some black pepper, and then we're going to give everything a really good mix. Now I'll use my heart-shaped cookie cutters to cut the bread for my sandwich. Y'all, we got into a little bit of a missing footage situation, so there's no footage of me actually applying the spread to the bread, but it's just that simple. Apply the spread to the bread. If you're gonna eat this outside of Valentine's Day, just make it like a regular sandwich. So go ahead and add some spinach. If you're like me and like things spicy, I've got pickled jalapenos and some paprika. You know what to do. Put that sandwich together and cut in your desired fashion. Alright, so you can serve your heart-shaped sandwiches plain, or you can add a little razzle-dazzle of paprika on top, or you can serve it in a traditional style with some crackers and some tomatoes. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below.